thing definitely is it's drone taking off. I mean, you hear it, but it's not bad. Versus I got the AC on max here, and it's not bad one bit. But I'm only doing 20 miles an hour, so. When you start it and you hear that loud 4-cylinder sound, it's not too bad once you hear the whistle. I love the whistle sound. Now I do have just a cherry bomb, and that's it. It's a resonator was cut at the very beginning of it, and it just kind of like an axle dump. Just literally taking off from my side street at work. That little Chevy, the Ram with 6-cylinder was making some noise too. But not too bad. At 55 miles an hour on cruise control, quite literally, it's just a very mellow little drone, very little. I've got to get on the Suncoast Highway here, State Road 589, and I'll see how it sounds at 70, 75. All I can really say right now is that you primarily hear it on acceleration. The actual cruising is not bad, but still going down 54, so a lot of stop and go traffic.